Thank you, Akash. Devjyoti Prakashta of Reverbed. Devjyoti? Yeah, he's
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, I see a lot of people that we have probably met in the past, and I think a lot of us know what Reverbed actually deals in. I think with respect to the case study, I actually did not want to put anything very specific or put thoughts in your mind. I actually wanted to ensure and see if you can use your own minds to fit your respected solutions into this case. What are people like the CXOs looking for today? I think most of us are aware that we are not looking at savings from XYZ, but we are looking at innovating as well, right? So what are the new IT initiatives that you can use on this particular case? How can we have a better access, even if it means using a call center for the hospitals, if it means using different kinds of facilities that you need to do for the same? And at the same time spend less or save the money. Today people are looking at data anywhere, anytime, and I'm going to go a bit into what Reverbed is all about. Reverbed started with a very basic concept of optimizing the WAN, especially from a data center to a branch office, and it all depended on how we did that. We did that pretty successfully. We were able to optimize. But with the new changes that we see today, with globalization, virtualization, consolidation, cloud, how do we actually use performance to enhance all of these features? Our very basic fundamental that we use is, we use the integrated approach, which will ensure that the customers and users are able to get good speed, the IT leaders will have good control, and the business managers or the CEOs or the CFOs would actually be able to have a proper ROI or business justification. We do that using three basic methods. One is analyze, second is accelerate, and third is control. To briefly take you on what our products do, the Steelhead is basically a product which allows you to accelerate all the communication, whether it is from a branch office to a data center to a data center, or to a BPO site, to the cloud, or to any of the other offices. You would actually be able to accelerate that using the Steelhead. And we have been doing this for multiple years now. There are different applications, probably most of the 90% of the applications that are available today would be able to accelerate, and you would be able to see varying degrees of acceleration on them, which actually helps you to speed applications, your disaster, DR center, bandwidth, data reduction, traffic manipulation. It allows to give you mobility and also helps you to consolidate your data centers and branch offices. The second solution that we are suggesting today is called the Granite solution with the VSP, which actually helps you to remove all the servers from the branches, applications from the branches, and bring them to the data center, thereby allowing you to reduce costs from the remote sites, plus giving you better control. Doing all that, you will still see that in hospitals you would still probably have a lot of storage servers left or storage data left there. That's primarily because the storage data requires a lot of read, write, fast compute, disconnected operations, for which we have a solution called Granite, which would work even in case the WAN outage is there. So your local performance would remain, but everything would be centralized using that. I will not go into details of the solution, but yes, as we walk around in the room, please feel free to ask us and we'll answer all the questions. The third solution is the application delivery, wherein we talk about a solution called Stingray, which actually allows you to virtualize, ensure that you are able to have a very fast delivery with respect to multiple applications hosted in the data center. It also allows you to improve your content usage from the web, from the internet as well. It allows you to stop people, it has a web application firewall inbuilt, and it allows you to increase the speed of your website. So in case patients are actually logging into your website to see reports, they would get a faster response. The fourth solution we are going to talk about is the Whitewater. Now, as patient data, you would require a lot of patient data to be actually hosted probably into the cloud, because hosting them within your campus might be difficult. We have a solution called Whitewater, which would actually integrate and allow you to host all of this data at a fraction of a cost into the public cloud. Finally, the last solution that we're going to talk about is the Reverbed performance management solution. I think that is one of the critical parts where performance is required to be measured to be able to do any sort of justification. Performance measurement is done using two solutions called our OpNet and Granite and Cascade solution, which would actually allow you to measure each and every browser speed, each and every application speed, the network performance, the server performance, proactively troubleshoot issues, and also design and develop and test them before you actually put it on the network. These are some of the things that we're looking at. This is something I wanted to leave you a thought with, and I'm trying to optimize the presentation due to shortage of time. Everyone looks at performance. What we are actually trying to achieve today is not performance but programmable performance. Meaning, we actually want people to suggest what the performance will be and then program it. Thank you for that time. Look forward to meeting you during the day.